Hello, today we have a 16-inch Schwinn Iris that it looks like somebody started putting together and gave up on or had some issues. Let's pull it out of the box, see if we can finish it up. It's a pretty little bike. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, what do we have in the box? Trash. Basket, training wheels, seat, pedal. Oh, it's for the front brake. The other pedal. Other one for the front brake. What I don't see is the nut. All right, let's start with the pedals. Seat. Needs a little air. What next? Training wheels? Why not? All right, let's address the front brake. We got ourselves a twist here. Right, that guy needs to go around. Those two washers that we found, they go on here. Oop. What? That one should go on that side, and then a nut. That's not right. With this in here, one on one side, and they've got a little dish to them, which matches the curve of the tube, but it's too short. What in the world? That'll never make it. I know these go on there. Even with only one, but it gets one on each side. The nut still wouldn't make it. Let's compare it to another brake. Maybe that's the same one. All right, so I think this is the same. Oh, look at that. Look how much longer that one is. Let's try this one. That's better. Yep. All right, so we can either take this apart and take this off, or just put the whole thing on. I think we're gonna put the whole thing on. Guess we gotta cut that. Way to get this cable out. We gotta pull our cable in. Oh, too tight. It's the cable making that noise. There we go. And we'll just tighten this up. Now we have the basket. There's little straps to hold them on. Let's put this on. Oh, we got the owner's manual. Oh, and there's the Schwinn Smart Start. I'll put that with it too. What I don't see is like the little tassels for in the handlebars. I guess we'll just put some caps in there. Maybe make sure the front wheel is tight. I'll put a little air in the tires and clean up the workbench, and I think we'll be good. Well, there you have it, this Schwinn Iris. Pretty little bike. Thanks for spending time with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day.